Welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the PwC company. Friend, it is a multinational organization and they are providing the virtual internship program in digital intelligence. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the college going students, working professionals and the freshers who are having some experience. And friend, you can complete this course from any country. It is absolutely free and we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you will learn, how you have to register and how you will get these certificates. So please watch the video complete. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the college who is providing this PwC Switzerland digital intelligence virtual internship program. And friend, you can see here the topic name is given, that is digital intelligence, and you can see here this virtual case experience is a free, so you did not have to pay any money. And you can see here this virtual case experience is free for the student, and friend, it is also for the working professionals, how we will discuss later in the mid of the video. So you can see here this experience is a self-paced and it will take around 7 to 8 hours to complete this virtual internship program. And friend, you can see here you will get the practical skills from PwC Switzerland, and you can use this experience in your resume so that your candidature becomes stronger and you will shortlist. So friend, it is a very good opportunity, so please grab it. So you have the question in mind that why you need to join this virtual internship program. So let's check it. So you can see here PwC Virtual Case Experience in Digital Intelligence is a envisioned strategic and coordinated company-wide implementation of new technologies that impacts all employees and existing process. And friend, you can see here they know that digital transformation creates a new standard and motivates organization to achieve a strong competitive advantages. So jump on board this exciting journey with us and discover tech-powered enablement. Then you can see real-time insights, change management programs or scoring algorithms, and you will find out more about a career in digital intelligence at PwC. So friend, these are the some description is given. So once you scroll down below, then friend, I will provide the link in the description box from where you can access this virtual internship program. So you can see here what types of things you will learn. So the first section is the introduction, in which you will get the practical skills from working on the various tasks like self reflection, you can see here. Then in the next module you will learn the regarding the AI, that is artificial intelligence, so understanding how AI leads to better decisions, classification modeling, and evaluating the various types of potentials. So you can see these are the modules is given, and in module number 3 you can see here you will learn quant financing modeling. So you have to evaluate, you can see emergent loan portfolio, which includes portfolio valuation, then predicting future cash flow. Then in the fourth module you will learn data analytics strategy, so harnessing the power of data strategically. And you know, data analyst, data science are the various growing fields, so you will also learn about that here. So you will learn how to understand the data, how to clean data, then defining data strategy, in which you will learn how to present data, what types of things you considered in your presentation. So these are the some experience you will get here. And in the next model you can see you will learn regarding the predictive healthcare, so you have to compare adverse effects of pain medicaments, and you will learn the large data sets, health related data. And in the last module you can see here predictive and statistical modeling, so you have to predicting damage risk at a waste management site, so you have to also predict the various types of risk involved in the projects. So you can see here evaluate insurance risk, understanding modeling. So friend, these are the some things you will learn. So before going to check how you have to register and how you will get these certificates, if you have not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, interview tips and internship program. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream and please visit our channel. You can find here more about the virtual internship program and many free courses. So please complete it. So let's check how you have to register. So you can see here, once you scroll down on the top, here they have given the register now. So you have to click on that, and once you click, friend, then this type of window will appear. So friend, you have to first create your account. So you, for that, you have to click on the sign up with email, and once you click, then this type of window will come. So friend, before going to check this small application form, let's check about the what types of certificates you will get. So you can see here this type of certificates you will get, and on the top you can see the PwC's logo given. Then you can see here your name will be given, and below you will get the course topic, that is a digital intelligence, and below you can see also what types of things you will learn in this internship. They are also given like responsible AI, quant finance modeling, then data analytics strategy, then predictive healthcare. And at the bottom of the certificates you will find the link which is given for the verification purposes. So if anyone want to verify your certificate, they can verify. So these are the certificates you will get. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, you can see here, once you click on this sign up with email, this small form will come, and you can see here you have to provide the details like your first name, then your last name, then you have to enter your valid email address ID, and you have to create one password which consists of 8 characters. Then if you are the students, you can from the high school, then you have to select the first option. Then if you are the from the university college, then you have to select second option. Then in the last option you can see career is given. So in the starting of the video, we have discussed that you can see here this virtual case experience is free for the students, but it is also for the experienced professionals and the freshers. For that, friend, you have to select the last option, that is a career. And after selecting that, you have to click on this one general question, that how did you hear about this virtual internship program. So you can select the any one platform, like you can select the YouTube or Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok or Twitch. So according to your requirement, means from where you have find out this, you can select it, and you have to click on this register. So friend, once you click on this register, you will be registered in this virtual internship program, and you can complete it from the weekdays or the weekends when you will get the time. So please complete it. It is a self-paced, so you did not have to worry. You can complete according to your time availability, and you will also get this type of certificates. And friend, if you have any doubt or if you have any query regarding this virtual internship program, please comment them in the video, and we are going to check it and resolve it. And friend, please also visit our channel. You can see you will here find the various types of courses, like you can see the AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. Then you can see BCG, virtual internship program, and many more given, like you will learn about the Confluence software, and also we have made the video on the Jira software. So please explore our channel and complete it. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical